Hello, you handsome humans. We're going to unpack the secret superpower of appreciation. Welcome to step 23 of the tribe triangle. Now, appreciation is a core psychological need for humanity. It's an ancient currency by which we exchange our humanity. It also drives a certain amount of norms and sustainable success behavior within the tribe. It's one of these tools and resources you have, tribe leader, that you have an unlimited amount of. So appreciation is incredibly important. It drives a sense of belonging, recognition, a sense of well-being, and all of these power resiliency. It means that we're going to persevere through challenges if we're being acknowledged by the members of our tribe. So incredibly important. In many ways, it's almost the gas in your kinship engine, right? It's the glue that holds your tribe together. Huge amount of studies about the power of appreciation and gratitude, particularly in the workplace. Not only does it drive all that sense of well-being and belonging and resiliency, but it also drives the sustainable success of improving collaboration, improving commitment, improving risk-taking. It all is coming from appreciation, because when we're appreciated, we feel like we are safe and we're able to take these risks, and we're wanting to continue that behavior that got us the appreciation, and that drives more success, which then creates more opportunity for appreciation. It is a self-generating engine. Now, giving authentic appreciations, which is what is required, none of the cookie cutter stuff. You actually have to speak to the person and speak to the behavior. That's really uncomfortable for a lot of people. And it's uncomfortable for a couple reasons. Number one, when we're authentically appreciating somebody, it makes us feel vulnerable because we're acknowledging that their behavior did something to benefit us. And that's uncomfortable for a lot of people. Giving that level of authentic appreciation, it's a perishable skill, and it's something that we have to knock the rust off of with behavior. Now, another big psychological barrier, tribe leader, for giving appreciation, if you have resistance to it, and if you're honest and take a look at how often, at what intensity am I giving actual authentic appreciation to my people, you may discover that it's not as high as you would like to be. And one of the big reasons for this is we often have challenges appreciating ourselves. It has to start from ourselves. Are you recognizing yourself? Are you grateful for what you have achieved and the challenges that you're facing? And one of the ways to overcome this is to not give appreciation based on the outcome or the result. Give appreciation for the effort. Give appreciation for the stresses that were overcome, the challenges that were faced. And what you'll find there is there's a tremendous amount of behavior within your organization that is worth appreciating. So appreciation needs to be given specifically to the person and to the behavior, and you want that to reinforce your shared vision for the future, the values that are going to get you there, the participation, the collaboration, the transparency of your missions. And the more often, with the more consistency and regularity and the higher cadence of your appreciations, the more benefit you will get. It's compound interest. So invest in yourself, because giving appreciation tends to boost your own sense of morale and well-being, but also do it for your people. You deserve this. Your people and your projects, they demand it. See you out there.